Ooh, welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, I'm about to go back here. It's not the used car department, but it is, however. Maintenance. Hey, he doing a sunroof. Oh, the hell? Guys, look at all this. It take a special kind of person to do a damn sunroof. Number one, you gotta be squeaky clean. Hands gotta be clean. Number two, you gotta make sure you don't kink this, because customers be watching. Look at all of this. Wow. Why you got the key on? I'm not gonna turn it off. This car running. I don't know what that's all about. Look at all this, guys. What you doing, man? You doing this right? You know this car running? Oh, I didn't know if you knew it was running or not. Yeah, man. What the hell? What you replacing? Oh, you finna go back in with it? Uh-oh, guys, we came in the nick of time. Oh, this is what you replaced. Whoa. As far as I've gone, guys, is just to clean out the tracks. This guy go deeper. You couldn't just clean out the tracks and fix it?
The track broke.
Oh, the track broke? What do you mean it's broke? Broke where? I don't see no broke. Alright, come on, man. So when this happened, that's a wrap. He must really, I know this is expensive. He must really like this car, man. Oh my goodness. No, guys, I'm not cut out for this. When this break, y'all heard what he said? When this go, everything else goes. Whoa. This will take a special trim guy. I am no trim guy. I mean, I do what I gotta do. Like if I had to do it, I'm almost certain I would figure out how and what to do. But because we got this guy been here as long as me. He's been here like 2 decades and some change. Look, I hope you know that socket right there. Man, guys, yeah, you got to really love your car to want to invest this much money into a new sunroof. So again, once the track break, it's trash. Uh-oh, it's getting dark outside. You know what that means? It's about to rain. I'm just still mesmerized over here, guys. Oh man, look at that rain, guys. So fellas, there's different, this give me a good chance to talk about this. There's different kinds of mechanic. Like a guy that do this, specialize in this, may be sorry or terrible at under the hood stuff. You can be an internal body electrical guy, like a guy that pull dashes and stuff like that. Like by default, I have to learn how to do dashes because I do AC. Unfortunately, there's some AC parts inside the dash. The only way to gain access to those parts is the dash has to be removed. So you will inadvertently learn by default body repair. You will become a trim guy at some point in time. Recalls, everybody recalls. You got to crawl under the dash and remove things. Does that make you a trim guy? That makes you a guy that got to do what he got to do. Okay, I'm not gonna sit around because I'm not that guy. I will make myself that guy. Back in my younger days, man, I'll try anything one time. And once you try it, once you do it, over time and over years, the thinking and the saying will go, yeah, they all the same. A car is a car is a car. Which is in some cases true. All right. See, this guy got his whole trim set up. Like I am nowhere near as organized. I couldn't tell you on one screwdriver bit of mine is. But yeah, you will by default become a trim guy if you do stuff like AC. Because like I say, that shifter cable. Remember, guys, I had a whole shifter bezel out. Center console have to come out. Ooh. See, the good thing about this, guys, you can't see. I don't want to touch anything. You can't see it from, like, the damages right here. Who knows? Who knows if he did it? I mean, guys, when you take and trim the minivan, the sliding door repair that I do all the time, that little black applique or whatever they call it, it's hard to take off whole. So some customers have to understand there will be some small damages when you get ready to remove stuff that has never been removed. You know, so I don't know if this happened when he pulled it down. Who knows? We just got to mask the situation. All right. Okay. I think he's getting ready to put it in. Oh yeah, here he come. We got him on tape, guys. I want to see this. Where you going, man? You going in through this way? Woo! It's coming. Oh, he's going in through the trunk. Oh, that's how y'all do it. That's y'all secret. Yeah, you can't. That has to be your only entry point. You can't get through this door. You have to go through the trunk. Oh, okay. Now it's all making sense, guys. You gotta jump over this headliner. Oh, wow. I'm over here mesmerized. I don't want to disturb my buddy. He get easily irritated if you know the camera running. Need help? You gotta go over these wires or not? Oh, I go under the. Oh, wow. It goes through the trunk. I never seen that. Wow, guys. See, show you how much I know. No matter how many years of experience you got, you still learn something new every day. That would never fit through this door. That's the only way you get in, through the trunk, right? You can't get through the door. Take the windshield out. Oh, that's the trunk. Y'all hear that? That's the other option. Take the windshield out. No, my man chose this option. All right, guys. Enough fun for the day. We just witnessed the installation of sunroof assembly. Looks like he's gonna take a break now, so I will be forced to shut it down. But as long as y'all get the picture, guys. All right, that's all we got. Thanks for watching.